I was shocked when I discovered this, and no, Botox can't fix it.
Hi, I'm Daniele. I'm certified in face yoga, gua sha, and skincare and repair from Harvard Medical School. And here on my channel, Face Yoga Dani, I help people lift their face naturally, without injections. This channel isn't about free tutorials. It's about real knowledge. No fluff, no trends, just results that last. Let's talk about it. Why is your face dropping? Most people think it's just aging or gravity. But here's the truth. It's tension, chronic, silent, muscle tension. You clench your jaw. You raise your eyebrows. You frown when you scroll. And your posture is probably like this all day. That tension gets stuck. It weakens the muscles. And your face starts sliding down. So, no, it's not just the skin, it's the muscles underneath. I see this every day. People pulling their face randomly, copying TikToks, buying gadgets, thinking that is face yoga. It's not. Face yoga is muscle work. It's structure. It's precise. And if you do it wrong, you might actually stretch the skin and speed up sagging. If you want lifted cheekbones, defined jawline, smooth outlines, you need to train your face like a gym. You need to activate specific muscles and release the ones creating tension. But you need a method, not random routines. That's what I teach in my course, a complete guided video program created by a professional for real people. If this video made you think twice, don't stop here. Click the link in the description and join the course. Transform your face naturally from home with confidence because your face is your story. Let's make it unforgettable. Subscribe for powerful videos about face yoga. And remember,
Let your ex's new girlfriend age alone.